Hey guys, good morning. Very good morning from Sandakphu, the highest point in West Bengal. And this is the view here. Give me one moment. I'll put my rear camera on. So this is how it is. That's the east. The sun is rising from there. This is how the horizon looks. That's the mighty Kanchenjunga. The camera isn't doing justice. It is right on our face. And there, if you can see, one of those small peaks there, not small peaks, they're pretty far away, that's why they look small. One of them is Everest. So yeah, just get a 360-degree view of the place. So guys, once more, that's the Kanchenjunga, the sleeping Buddha. And if I move towards my left, if you can see those peaks, that's Everest. That would be, let me zoom in. And right in the middle, if you see there, there is a little V. The mountain on the left of the V is Mount Everest. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there it is. That is the V I'm talking about, and the one on the left of the V is Mount Everest. So guys, this is the view in front of me. On the camera it might seem very far, but trust me, it isn't. The mighty Kanchenjunga. This view from here is amazing. If any of you are planning to come to Sandakphu, definitely do. The view from here is just awesome. So, to give you an idea of how cold it is here, so yeah, this is what happened to the water overnight. Okay, so we are on our way back from Sandakphu. This is our car, and just stopped for a little break. And I cannot take any pictures or videos behind me because there is a check post here. So yeah, this is how it looks. We are having tea at this place called Solu. It's a small place to have snacks and tea. Yeah, that's the update from here, I'm sorry. And we will carry on towards Manebhanjan now and catch you all up a little later. It's a nice little place, pretty cold. Yeah, this is how it looks. And there are a few places to eat here. So yeah, that's one I showed. There's another one here which is called Magnolia Restaurant and Homestay. Yeah. And that's the way that goes to Sandakphu and Falud. So, okay, that's it for now. Catch you all up a little later. Hey guys, so back to Manebhanjan. Nothing much to show here. Once we hit the road, I will catch you all up. So this is a different route to go to Mirik from Manebhanjan. While on our way towards Manebhanjan, we took the Sukhya road, and this is a road which goes via Simana and is supposed to be much shorter than the Sukhya road. So yeah, let's see. We got this. We came to know about this road from one of the locals.
Actually, he was the guy who drove us down from Sandakphu to Manebhanjan, and this should take us half the time. So yeah, let's see how this goes, and I'll keep you all posted. This road is a little broken at places and pretty steep. So this morning Sandakphu was awesome. The sky was absolutely clear and we got a great view of the Kanchenjunga, plus the Everest, Makalu and Lhotse as well. So Makalu, Everest and Lhotse are not as clear as the Kanchenjunga. So if any of y'all are planning to go to Sandakphu, you should definitely stick to that plan and go to Sandakphu. You'll get an awesome view of the Kanchenjunga. I mean, it can't get any better. From this point on, the roads turned really bad and the going was getting tougher with every inch. We just about managed not to drop the bikes, and with the help of a kind local, we somehow made it out of that mess. So just crossed some real off-road stretch and back on this road again towards Mirik. So Mirik is 19.5 kilometers from here. This is Simana, and thankfully back on the nice roads again. So we'll be going to Mirik, pick up our luggage and then carry on towards Siliguri and then Kolkata. So today we plan to stop by somewhere in between Siliguri and Kolkata. Let's see. I guess it will be Raiganj. But let's see if we can go further ahead. We will do that. If not, we will stop at Raiganj. So we are almost in Mirik now, not almost, we are in Mirik now, just looking for the homestay that we were in to pick up our luggage, and once that is done we will head towards Siliguri. So we've collected our luggage from this place, Euphoria Homestay at Mirik, and heading towards Siliguri now. Didi, thank you so much. Uncle ko bhi please बोलिएगा, thank you. So this is one last view of the Mirik lake, and see you all on the way to Siliguri. That's a beautiful sunset. So just finished a tea break at this place called Tingling between Mirik and Siliguri, and on our way again. The time is 4:58 and it will turn dark in about 15 minutes time. So yeah, I want to get to the plains as soon as possible before it turns really dark. But gradually the roads are not that are turning into plains. The terrain is turning into plains. So we are out of those steep climbs and descents. We are at Fugiri. So we are at Siliguri now. Wouldn't say proper Siliguri, but maybe 5 kilometers away from Siliguri, and just stopped for a fuel break, and which is done, and on our way again. So yeah, I'll keep you all updated. Stay tuned, and if you've liked the vlog till now, please subscribe and like. So we are just out of the bad traffic in Siliguri at 7:06 p.m. So you can imagine how the traffic is. We're just out of it, and now looking for a proper dhaba to have some tea and eat something. We haven't eaten anything since breakfast in the morning, so feeling very hungry now. So once we find that dhaba, we'll stop and then carry on the road again. So just exited Siliguri and had a tea break and some snacks at this place called Hotel Samrat, and on our way now. So planning to go to Raiganj today and stay the night there, and then carry on tomorrow towards home. And this is how the jam looks like after Dalkola at 11 p.m. in the night. So hello guys, reached Raiganj and looking for a hotel now, and yeah, it was one crazy ride from Dalkola till Raiganj. A lot of traffic, buses, trucks, everything, you name it, they were there. But anyway, now looking for a hotel and pretty tired, can't wait to hit the bed. Okay, reached Raiganj and staying at this place, Hotel Natraj. Food and lodging. It is pretty close to the highway to Kolkata. So if we go this way on the right, we can hit the highway. So that way it's very convenient. Yeah, so that's it from Raiganj. See you on the road tomorrow. Bye bye.